Then this Honda CB500 Four, a bit customized. The front wheel is smaller, better brakes. Nice bike, but it's not original. But it's an interesting price. And in candy gold with the 4.4 exhaust looks really nice. And of course, if you don't like the mirrors, you can change it. But it's a cool bike. Okay, perfect, John. Come here. And number 9, last one to get in the trailer. And I think it's going to work. We've got 3 in here, and then six in here. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.